When it comes to outdoor security cameras, image quality is only part of the equation. Reliability, smart detection, and ease of maintenance are just as important, especially if you want a system that can protect your property without constantly demanding attention. The Botslab W510 camera system aims to deliver exactly that. Designed as a wire-free outdoor security solution, it combines 4K video recording, AI-powered motion detection, solar charging, and local storage into a package built for long-term convenience. On paper, it checks a lot of boxes, but specifications only tell part of the story. After spending some time with the system, here's a closer look at how the Botslab W510 performs in real-world use. The first thing you notice about the Botslab W510 is its clean and understated design. Rather than looking overly industrial or futuristic, the camera blends into most home exteriors while still feeling modern and well-built. The housing feels sturdy, and with an IP66 weather resistance rating, it's designed to handle outdoor conditions ranging from heavy rain to dusty environments and hot summer temperatures. The system revolves around the included home base, which serves as the central hub for storage, connectivity, and processing. This approach keeps recordings stored locally while helping manage communication between multiple cameras. One of the W510's biggest advantages is its solar-powered operation. Each camera can be paired with a 5-watt solar panel and includes a large 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery. According to Botslab, relatively little daily sunlight is needed to keep the cameras topped up. Actual performance will vary depending on weather and installation location, but the idea of reducing or even eliminating regular charging is certainly appealing. The system can support up to 4 cameras through a single home base, making it suitable for covering multiple areas around a property, whether that's a front entrance, backyard, driveway, or side yard. Overall, the hardware feels durable, thoughtfully engineered, and flexible enough for a variety of mounting locations. For a security system with this many features, setup is surprisingly straightforward. After mounting the cameras and positioning the solar panels, the rest of the process takes place through the Botslab mobile app. Pairing is handled through QR codes, and the cameras connect to the home base with minimal effort. Since the entire system is wireless, installation is far simpler than traditional wired surveillance setups. There are no power cables to route and no recording box that needs to be connected directly to every camera. Solar charging works best when the panels receive consistent sunlight throughout the day. Cameras installed under covered patios or heavily shaded areas may still run for extended periods thanks to the large battery capacity, but occasional USB-C charging may be necessary. For optimal results, positioning the panels in an open area with direct sunlight remains important. The included mounting hardware feels secure, and the adjustable brackets make it easy to fine-tune camera angles. Once tightened, everything stays firmly in place, even when exposed to wind and changing weather conditions. The standout feature of the Botslab W510 is undoubtedly its 4K recording capability. Equipped with an 8-megapixel image sensor, the camera captures significantly more detail than typical 1080p, or even many 2K security cameras. Faces appear clearer, vehicle details are easier to identify, and distant objects retain more usable information. Daytime footage looks sharp and vibrant, with strong color reproduction and good handling of bright outdoor conditions. The camera does a solid job balancing highlights and shadows, helping preserve detail even when scenes contain both direct sunlight and darker areas. Nighttime performance is equally impressive. Instead of relying exclusively on infrared imaging, the W510 offers full-color night vision through an integrated spotlight. When motion is detected, The spotlight illuminates the scene and allows the camera to record color footage with noticeably more context and detail than standard black and white night vision. Traditional infrared mode is also available for users who prefer a less noticeable setup. The camera's wide viewing angle provides excellent coverage for large outdoor spaces without introducing excessive fisheye distortion. While it doesn't feature motorized pan and tilt controls, the field of view is broad enough to monitor most residential areas effectively. An app-based digital zoom function is available as well, and thanks to the 4K resolution, zoomed footage remains surprisingly usable. Battery performance is another strength. Under normal activity levels, the combination of the large battery and solar charging can keep the cameras running for extended periods with very little user intervention. Naturally, locations with frequent motion activity or long stretches of cloudy weather will consume more power, but overall endurance remains impressive for a wire-free security system. Hardware is only half the story, and the W510 backs up its camera performance with a strong set of smart features. Through Botslab IQ, the system can distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets, helping reduce false alerts caused by things like moving trees, insects, or shifting shadows. One feature that stands out is cross-camera tracking. When multiple cameras are installed, the system can automatically follow a subject moving between camera zones and combine footage into a more complete event timeline. It's a feature typically found in more expensive surveillance systems and adds meaningful value for larger properties. The Botslab app is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to access live views, review recordings, adjust detection settings, and create activity zones. Navigation feels straightforward, even for users who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Storage is handled locally through the home base, which includes 32 gigabytes of built-in storage and supports expansion, with additional drives up to 16 terabytes. Just as importantly, there are no required subscription fees. All recordings remain under your control without ongoing monthly costs. The system operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, prioritizing range and stability over maximum speed. As with any wireless camera system, strong network coverage is important. Homes with weak outdoor Wi-Fi signals may occasionally experience slower live streaming performance, particularly when viewing 4K footage. The Botslab W510 successfully combines several features that modern homeowners are looking for: sharp 4K video, reliable AI-powered detection, solar-assisted operation, and local storage without subscription fees. It offers a strong balance between convenience and performance while avoiding many of the recurring costs associated with cloud-based security systems. Like any wireless camera setup, proper placement plays a major role in overall performance. Good Wi-Fi coverage and adequate sunlight exposure will help the system operate at its best. Once installed correctly, however, the Botslab W510 delivers excellent image quality, useful smart features, and dependable day-to-day security monitoring. For homeowners looking for a wire-free outdoor camera system that prioritizes both convenience and video quality, the Botslab W510 is a compelling option that offers strong long-term value.